What's going on, everybody? So I'm going to make this video as quick as I can. It's going to be about Venmo, Stripe, and PayPal. Those forms of payment are illegal for credit repair. So if you sign up with a credit repair company and they want you to use one of those forms of payments, there's several reasons why they want you to use that form, and one being you're not going to get your money back after they scam you. Instead, they're going to take your money, block you, run, post pictures like this on their social media accounts to basically brag in your face, ha ha, I stole your money. What are you going to do? I don't feel like working on your credit. I got your money. I got what I wanted. Who cares what you want? So again, just be careful. If they want you to pay through Stripe, PayPal, or Venmo, it is 100% illegal. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.